Hi friends, welcome to our next tutorial on Kotlin. So now we'll concentrate on Kotlin tutorials. So here in a Kotlin, today we'll concentrate on progress bar. How to create progress bar in Kotlin. So now I'm creating one project on the name of progress bar Kotlin. So we'll see how to create this. So progress bar Kotlin. So I'm creating this progress bar Kotlin. So with this, I'm creating this Kotlin project. Once this project is created, just I want to take one button in this. For the button, I'll write this Kotlin this. So in this, so here project as creating. Once this project is creating, then we can able to see this. Here as usually, I'll take this linear layout. On the linear layout, now I can take this here. What we need to take this here, we'll see this. So still its project as creating. So still its project is creating. Once it's creating, so here now project has created. Now in this, just I want to take this as linear layout with orientation as vertical. Then here removing this, here I want to take one button. Just I want to drag and drop this button. So this button name I'm giving you as progress bar. So here just I'm giving you as progress. Now I want to write the functionality for this. So how I'm writing the functionality for this here within a Kotlin file. Here I'm writing this progress. For that I'm adding this listener. So how to apply listener? Progress from XML dot set on click listener. Just I'm applying this on click listener for that. So on click listener, then within this on click listener, so that is where, so progress dialog already we discussed in this, it's a reverse. So progress dialog equal to no new in this progress dialog. So here it's a progress dialog. Sorry, here also it's not progress bar, it's progress dialog. We need to choose progress dialog. Means that is user defined anything, but better we can choose similar terminology so that easily we can understood that it's. So here progress dialog. So here it's a context. So that context in Kotlin is at the rate main activity. Then here always whenever you are creating any dialogues, for the dialogue its mandatory thing is dot show. Either it should be Kotlin or it should be anyway, it should be this. So now for this, what we need to apply here now, we need to give the as title and all. So I'm setting this here progress bar dot set title. I hello, like this. I hello. So then I hello. Then here progress dialog dot set message. So these are the things we can do for this. So here message I want to show good morning. Message I want to show here as good morning. So just I'm writing here good morning. Then I want to run this program. So just I want to run this program so that we can able to see this output, it's working or not. Then we can come to this. Here I'm running this program. So it's a set message, not cancel message, set message. So now I'm running this. See, once it is run, we can able to see this. Once you click on that button, dialog as displaying or not. Then after that displaying, here I can show this one more extra line that is needed without adding also that output we can get directly. So that what is that line, I'll show you here. That's so still this project is running. So once it will run, we can able to see here now output. So this is about this progress dialog, but this progress dialog as deprecated. In place of this, nowadays we are using another one, progress bar. Even that also we can see after our next sessions, next videos. We can able to check that also here. So still it's running. See, once it's run completed, we can able to see this. So this progress dialogues are very important because whenever it has this dynamic contents, definitely we'll use this. So here we can able to see here. See, now this is progress bar. See, now I'm clicking on this progress bar as automatically displaying this. So in this I'll add one more line. Even though without that line also this can be work properly. So but what is that line, we can see here, progress dot set progress. So set progress style. So that is progress dialog dot. So here we can add the styles, progress style as spinner. So spinner, we can add the spinner for this. So what happens if we add the spinner? There is no difference. But if we add the spinner, there is no difference. But that's for the same. I'll show you something small difference here now. See here, there is no difference in this. But here I want to show some small difference. So because of that, I want here one more button. So I'm taking here one more button. That button I'm changing as horizontal. Hurry. So here also this is also progress bar. But here what we will do is in a Java, I want to copy paste this, not Java Kotlin it. So here horizontal. Then here only the change here, instead of spinner I'm changing this as horizontal. See now what happens. Automatically that spinner dialog is converted into this horizontal. So that is this. Horizontal means like it shows percentage, 10%, 20%, like that it shows this. So how this is happening here, you can see here now. See, still it's running this application. Now see it's running. So here progress bar, see 0 to 100. But here this value we can set as this progress dialog dot max. So that maximum value we can set here. So max, if we can set 20, previously it's 100, now 20 only. Here set max. Just a minute, here it's max. Okay, this can be, we can set here in this here, not here, here only it's progress dialog dot. So because of the deprecation, it's not supporting. Otherwise, here we can set this maximum value of this. So this is about this progress part. Two types, horizontal as well as spinner in Kotlin. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates.